let's check out these secrets of entering into the market. We actually saw this trade yesterday. Okay, this particular one that happened there yesterday, and check out the result, guys. Check out the results. This is so amazing. All TPs smashed. Okay, all TPs smashed, just like that. So I'm going to share with you how I'm able to come up with a trading signal like this, how I'm able to how a kind of setup like this, which gave us a lot of profit because this is on 15 minutes time frame. And in case you don't know, this is a spike trade. I mean, we actually use this strategy to trade spikes because this is pin X 999. So you can see the multiple spikes that happen, guys. Check out the multiple spikes that happen. Okay, this is about 24 candles, 24 15-minute candles. Okay, 24 15-minute candles. So this is so amazing, and that is what I always tell you guys. Once you understand a good strategy, make sure you develop yourself on it and make sure you stick to that strategy. Okay, because it is the same strategy which I've been giving you consistent results. Okay, and of course, here is a simple strategy which I have been using. It always gives me peace of mind each time I open my trading my trading platform. Okay, because it helps me to know what to do at the right time. But before I give you details of how we are able to achieve this trade result, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Okay, this is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash or have some good trading activities whenever you are trading. Okay, so if you're joining me for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. Okay, guys, this is PayNext 999. I'm on 15-minute time from yesterday. I actually saw these assets picking up from this support region, and it went on uptrend. It switched into an uptrend and it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so in case you were wondering how I'm able to know that this is going to sell, now let's do the normal basic analysis. Right here, this has gotten to the resistance zone at this point. Okay, of course, there is another resistance zone around here. Okay, around here. So, but if it's not going to get there, then definitely it can switch into a downtrend around there. Then here is also another thing which I need you to know. Check it out, guys. If you should look at this chart pattern, okay, I want you to understand this chart pattern. This has been on a very strong uptrend, got to this resistance zone, try to sell for a while, got to this region and went back up. Okay, so if you should notice, this is giving us a big letter M, and the last leg of letter M is always a selling leg. Okay, so this is giving us a big letter M. So actually, I was actually expecting it to get to this resistance zone, to this particular resistance zone. But if it's not going to get there, then it should switch into a downtrend right from here. Okay, so just the way we have seen it, it switched into a downtrend at this point, gave us a downtrend signal and also gave us a sell signal. So when I saw this, I knew that okay, it's finding difficult to break out above this resistance, and that is why it was unable to get to the upper part of the resistance zone, which I was actually looking out for. So, and it gave us a sell signal also. When I saw the sell signal, I quickly set up this trade, entry point, stop loss, and of course I highlighted my TPs, and this is what it has given to me. It's achieved all the TPs. That's so amazing. It achieved all the TPs. It is as simple as that. So you can see that trend trading strategy is actually a unique trading strategy that can help you to achieve more on daily basis. And it's so simple. All you need to do is just to follow the trend. If the trend is on downtrend, then it should be only the sell signal. If the sell trend is on uptrend, then what you should go for should be only the buy signal. Okay, that is all you need for you to be successful with this strategy. Okay, so that is all. It is as simple as that. And you should also know how to set up your trade. Once you know how to set up your trade, that is all. You have peace of mind trading any asset using this same strategy. So right now, this has actually got into this support zone that has not been able to break out from there. So you can see it playing around here. Okay, so if it comes back and break out from there, then definitely you should expect it to sell more. But if it does not break out from here, then it breaks out above it, then you should expect a buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So before you can say the next direction of this, wait for the breakout either above the upper part of the channel or below the lower part of the channel. Okay, if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. So let's see if this same strategy works on other assets where we can have a good signal. So this is Ganex 1200. It has been on uptrend for a while, even though the movement has been somehow okay, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So there is nothing really cool for us to look into right now on Ganex 1200. Now, if you want to Ganex 999, like I always tell you, don't force a signal on daily basis. You don't try to force yourself to get a particular signal. You make sure you get a clear signal, and once your strategy is working for you well, then you will definitely get a clear signal. This is Ganex 999. This has been on a very strong downtrend right from here. We milked it till we got to this region, but it kept on selling and selling, so we added more opportunities for us to milk. So right now, if you should notice, it got to the support zone at this point, switched into an uptrend and tried to buy, but it didn't go too far. So it later went back down to break out below the support zone. So right now, it has gotten to another support zone and try to go back into an uptrend. But we don't know if this is going to be real or not. If it should come back and break out below the support zone, then definitely it's still going to. So for me, if even if you want to trade the buy trend, wait for it to break out above this first. Okay, you should wait for it to break out above this, because if you should notice, it has been pulling back right from there. Each time it touched this horizontal line, I mean this trend line, it goes back and break out the support zone. It has touched it again and may likely go back and break out from this support zone. So we should take note of that. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, that means it is ready to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Now let's check out Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 started an uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this point. So right from there, it switched back into a downtrend. Okay, just where we are seeing it, it switched back into a downtrend, and it's trying to sell right now. Okay, however, you should also take note of this that is happening around here. Okay, if you should notice, this has been ranging between here and here, so you just need to break out below it before you can say it's going to sell, and that is what it's about achieving. Once it is broken, then you should experience some selling opportunity right from there. So you can say that apart from the fact that the trend is giving us the right signal, I mean this indicator is giving us the right signal based on the same trend trading strategy, our basic knowledge of forex trading activities or forex trading ideas is also saying the same thing. So, which means the indicator is really doing a very good job for us here, okay, and making our analysis very easy, okay. Now, let's check out, okay, we've checked out PNX 999 already. Let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on a very strong downtrend, and it has been breaking out from most support zones, just where we have seen it. So this has actually got into a new support zone. It's switching into an uptrend at this point, okay. So we actually expect it to buy. The only reason why it will not buy is if it is unable I mean, if it breaks out, not if it is unable, if it breaks out below this support zone, okay? If it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's still going to sell more. But if it does not, then it should buy. Already, if we are to check out this using the trend line, it has given us an opportunity to buy, okay? But these always go back to break out below this support zone, okay? So this might give us a good buying opportunity, most especially if it breaks out from here. If it breaks out from here, it might give us a good buying opportunity, okay? So, and of course, all you just need to do is just to jump into it and buy and target this region first, okay? And if it breaks out from there, then you should target more, okay? Probably somewhere here, okay? So that is, this might take some time, but it is possible. But that is if it does not break out below this support zone, okay? So we've been waiting for this for a very long time, but we've not been able to get it. Each time it tries to buy, it goes back to break out below the support zone to give us more selling opportunity. So that is also another thing. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then you should enter a sell, okay? Because it means that it's also going to sell for a very long time. Let me cite an example. It broke out at this point and see it selling. It broke out at this point. See, sorry, and see it selling till it got to this support zone again. So that is what you need to understand. That is what you should know. Okay. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.